Welcome back to Radio Entrepreneurs. My name is Alexander Stablowski. I'm the executive producer here. I'm filling in for Jeffrey Davis. Right now, joining me is one of the FBA finalists in the small business category. It is Jeffrey Sheehy and his daughter, Bridget Sheehy. Hey guys, how we doing?
Good to see you.
Good to see you. Thanks for having us.
Anytime. So, guys, tell me about Whittermore Company. Tell me a little bit about your business and what do you guys do?
So we manufacture two minerals, perlite and vermiculite, both natural minerals. We source them from different places across the world and in the United States. And they are used primarily in three different industries. I'll talk a little bit about the perlite and you can talk about the vermiculite. So the perlite we use...
because I don't know any of this.
Most people don't. So the perlite is used in horticultural, mixed into the soil, good for aeration and can retain water. It's also used in construction. So a perlite loose fill, ceiling tiles, different uses such as that. And also industrial. So it can be used as a filter aid. Real fine perlite can be used to separate solids from liquids, beer, wine, and other types of food.
So, Jeff, tell me about the other mineral.
The vermiculite's a mica. We source it from South Africa, Virginia, Zimbabwe, China, Brazil, and again, the main three markets, horticultural, construction, and industrial. Vermiculite in the horticultural market mixed in with the soil is more for water holding as opposed to perlite with the aeration and drainage. Construction applications, both products, the four major benefits are they're lightweight, they're sound deadening, they're insulating, and they're fireproof. So you can see vermiculite used in spray-on fireproofing, in parking garages, office buildings. You also see vermiculite used in the bottom of in-ground vinyl lined swimming pools. It's the base for the vinyl liner. So you dig a hole in your backyard, build the steel sides, level the dirt on the bottom, and then they'll mix vermiculite and cement and trowel 2 inches on the bottom of the hole, and that's the base for the liner. It's much softer on the liner, won't wear the liner out than regular concrete, softer to walk on, it's insulating, it's porous. If you have a leak in the liner, it can leak through.
Wow.
Industrial applications for vermiculite, chemical packaging, large chunky vermiculite, hospitals, universities, labs, they're spent chemicals. The bottles will be packed in a drum with vermiculite. If the bottle breaks, the vermiculite will absorb it. There's a lot of other filler applications with vermiculite also. So the two products really go in a lot of different directions.
How did you guys get into this business?
We wonder that every once in a while. My dad was an entrepreneur, started out driving a truck and then got into the truck leasing business, leased some trailers to this little perlite company that was in Roslindale, and ended up selling his truck leasing business and bought the perlite company. Moved it up to Lawrence. They were strictly in perlite. Whittermore actually has the third perlite furnace installed in the United States. So anyways, moved it up to Andover. We had it in Andover until '85. Moved to Lawrence in '85, and added vermiculite in 1991.
If anybody wants to get in contact with you, how would they do that?
They could give us a call or shoot us an email. Our phone never goes unanswered at the office. It's sort of a company policy. Phone number is 978-681-8833. And then email address is B as in Bridget, Sheehy, SHEEHY, @whittermoreco.com.